Alright, so real quickly we're going to be learning what else if statements do, and maybe, just maybe, we'll be seeing what if statements are for. Alright, so first let's create a basic if statement. Actually, first, instead of creating an if statement, let me create a quick little program which will ask in what is your age, and then we'll have an endo, and we'll end the line there. We'll put a semicolon in there, then we'll say cin int age, and then we'll have an if statement. So first off, we'll have an if statement saying if age is less if age is less than or equal to less than or equal to 0. 1 minute, I probably did that wrong. 1 minute. Let's see out. Let's just try echoing something out for now. We'll just echo out 1. I am probably doing something wrong. Yeah, no, it's because of that. All right. We'll assign int age first, and then we'll just say that. Now, if you build and run real quick, okay. My age is 1. Not really. Okay, 1 minute. Let's enter the age as 0. Okay, so now what we want to do is we'll just say stop lying. All right, and then now typically what you would do is say if, and then write another if statement saying if age is less than 13 or something, and then write another if statement saying if age is less than so and so. But in here what we can do is we'll just say else, and then just add if to it. Else, and then space, and then if. Okay, so with this we can have an infinite chain of these else ifs, how many ever you want. We'll just keep that many, right? And then we can have an else over here also. So yeah, and then in here we'll say if age is less than or equal to let's say 13, then we'll say see out let's see, enjoy your childhood while it lasts. I know that's kind of too serious, but meh, who cares? And then okay, and then if we say age is less than, oh, 1 minute actually, if age is less than or equal to, and yeah, one more thing I wanted to show you is and this means like if age is less than or 1 minute, if age is less than or equal to, and then age is greater than 0. Okay, so basically what this and does is it checks if both of these conditions are true, and then it goes and does this if statement. So it's going to check if age is less than or equal to 13 and it's greater than 0. Then it will say enjoy your childhood while it lasts. And then we'll say if age is less than or equal to 40 and age is greater than 13, then we'll just say see out you are at the dusk of your life. I know that's kind of rude, but meh. And then we can have, you know what, instead of being way too rude, I'll just remove that, just cause. And then if the next thing would be if age is above 1 minute, if age is above 40, in that case we'll just say I don't want to be rude over here, but we'll just say okay, just that much. I just don't want to be rude. And then if I build and run this, you'll see it'll ask me my age. Now if I enter 0, it'll say stop lying, and the process returns to 0. And then again, if I run it and if I say else if age is less than or equal to 13, I'm going to enter it something like 12. Then it'll say enjoy childhood while it lasts. and then I'll say if my age is something like 39, then it says you're at the dusk of your life. And then if I enter something above 40, something like 41, it will say okay, and it'll just end that. So this is how you use else if statements. These are really efficient, because then if one of these, for example, completes, if suppose age is less than 0, less than or equal to 0, it'll say stop lying, and it won't carry out any of these processes because it does not need to. So yeah, it just speeds up, and it speeds up your application, and it makes it way more efficient. Now one more way of doing this, and I'm going into the switch statement now. So we can have a switch, and in the brackets we get we have something like an age, okay, and then we have those squiggly brackets or curly braces, and in there, I don't know why, but IDEs kind of hate the switch statement. So and then we can write case age is less than or equal to 0, and then you put a colon, and then at the end of this you just do a break and a semicolon. So within this, let me just do that. Okay, so within this you can write whatever code you want, and it'll get executed. It's like a string of else ifs, but they're different. Or here we'll just say stop lying, and we can just say then case age is less than, case age is less, actually, you know what, no, we won't enter any of those. And then you have this thing called default. I just don't want to waste all time and all that, so we'll just add a break real quick, and we'll say see out bye. We'll just say bye. So if I build and run this now, oh, okay, so a quick look at the textbook, and I found out where I went wrong. You're not supposed to do this actually. You just write case 0 and then add a break. So let's add a case, let's say 18, and then we'll have a break right there, break, and inside here we'll say 1 minute. I'm having my OCD is kind of kicking in. So yeah, we'll if whoever is entering is 18, then we'll just tell him see out, um, uh, we'll just say yay, you can legally do things that you have been doing since you were 13. So yeah, so that's what that is. And then if I just real quickly build and run this, why do I keep running it? Yeah, build and run, and we'll have, wait a minute, remove break one. Yeah, so we'll have what is your age, let's say -0, it'll say stop lying, and it'll end the program. And then if I build and run this again, and then it'll say what is your age, and I can just say 18, and it'll say yay, you can legally do things that you've been doing since you were 13. Thank you, C++, thank you. And yeah, so that's what we're going to do today, switch statement. So yeah, that's all for today. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe.